Now that we've got numbers out the way, the second part of this lesson is to do with money. The word for money in Ndebele is imali. Say that with me. Imali. Imali. Good. Now we're going to learn a few words to do with money so we can talk back and forth concerning money and numbers. Okay? You ready to go? Let's get to it. If you want to say dollars in Ndebele, you would say AMADOLA. Try it with me. AMADOLA. Very good. Cents is AMASENTI. Try it with me. AMASENTI. Good job. We've already learned the word for money, which is imali, which is the same word you'd use for cash or that kind of thing. All right? If you want to say, I'm going to pay you, or to pay, you would say badala. Say it with me. Badala. Very good. The word for to buy, when you're in the store and you want to buy something, is tenga. Say it with me. Tenga. Tenga. Good job. The word for a purse or a wallet is isikhwama semali. Say it with me. Isikhwama semali. Good job. The word for the price of something or the cost of something is intengo. Say it with me. Intengo. Good job. The word for cheap, or if something is cheap, you would say chipile, or akubizi imali enengi. Say it with me. Chipile, or akubizi imali enengi. Alternatively, if something is expensive, you would say dula, guya dula, or kubiza imali enengi. Good. Are you getting this? I hope so. All right. If you want to say it's expensive, you would say kuyabiza. Yo, kuyabiza. The word for a poor person is umyanga. Say it with me. Umyanga. The word for a rich person, I want to be rich, is unotile. Unotile. That person is rich. If you want to talk about borrowing, or the word for borrowing or a loan, or that kind of thing, is volega. Say it with me. Volega. Good job. Now, a word you're going to want to know when you're talking about money is the bank, right? So, let's learn the word for the bank. The word in Ndebele for the bank is ibanga. Say it with me. Ibanga. Good. The ATM is simply EATM. Say it with me. EATM. Good. If you've borrowed money and you now have credit, or you owe someone, or you have a debt, you would call it isikwelede. Say it with me. Isikwelede. Did you get that? Good. If you want to find out, say you're in the shop or you're buying something, you want to buy something, and you want to ask the shopkeeper or the shop attendant, how much is it? Or how much is this? You would say, Gubiza malini. Say it with me. Gubiza malini. Very good. If you want to say, how much is it? You could also say, Kuyimalini. Say it with me. Kuyimalini. Good. That's a shorter way. In response, if let's say you are the shopkeeper or you're the shop attendant and you're telling someone who's just asked you, kubiza malini, you in response would say, guyi, and then how much it is. Let's say something is $10. You would say, gungama dola alichumi, or guyi $10. Okay? Do you get that? Try it again. Guyi $10. Or in Ndebele, in real Ndebele completely, kungama dola alichumi, $10. Now, if somebody asks you, do you have money? You would say, ulayo imali. Say it with me. Ulayo imali. Very good. If you want to ask somebody for money, you could say, ngicela imali. Say it with me. Ngicela imali. Good. If you want to say, I have money, you would say, ngile mali. Say it with me. Ngile mali. Good job. If you want to say, I do not have money, you would say, angila mali. Say it with me. Angila mali. Good. If you're walking downtown or you're in the city and you want to ask somebody, where is the bank? You would say, ingaphi ibanga. Say it with me. Ingaphi ibanga. Good job. The word for the shop or a store is istolo. Say it with me. Istolo. Good. Do you remember when your parents used to tell you, don't waste money? If you want to say, don't waste money, or wasting money, you would say, ukudlalisa imali. Wasting money. Ukudlalisa imali. If you want to say, alternatively, saving money, you would say, ukugcina imali. Say it with me. Ukugcina imali. Excellent. How did you do? Now we've learned how to count from 1 to 10 and all the way up to 100 in Isindebele. We've also learned a few words and phrases to do with money. You are doing very well and I'm very proud of you. Wenze kuhle kakhulu. It's time for me to say goodbye for now. Sengizalivalelisa, ngizalibona phambili. I will see you in the next lesson. Yimi untando. Salani kuhle. Bye-bye for now.